Well, hello, my fellow YouTubers. The topic for today is the Bose 701 speakers. Now, we all have little kids that love dropping toys, into the back of the Bose speaker. So, for what it's worth, I tried. And I think I might have put it up on YouTube where I removed the bottom of the speaker. This here, let me turn the camera around. Come on. Turn the camera around. How do you turn the camera around? Look at this. Anyway, it doesn't want to turn. Oh, there it is. No, that's not it. I don't know how to turn the camera. I'm pushing the button, but I'm still seeing me. Anyway, this is where the children drop their toys. And what I did was I made the attempt by removing the feet. Then by removing the feet, I removed this panel here, this panel. And I had access to the speaker. And, my video, in my previous videos, you probably will know what happened here. So, just a note, if anyone drops, if your children drop toys into the back of the speaker to port, by removing this, will not help you. Because the speaker is like in stages. You have a cut here, that's just that section. Then you have from here to there, that's another section. And then from here to here, you have another section. So it's in 3 sections. All right? So when they drop it here, it will not be down here. Where's the camera? It won't be down here by the feet. I've already experienced that. And it was a hell of a job. So, my friends, I now have the solution for, if you want to remove items here. Like I've noticed down in here, can I get in there? Where's oh, it's there? Okay. I can't, I cannot see what you're seeing. So, but anyway, down there, oh, wait a second. Down here, come on, camera, work with me, baby. See down there? There's a piece of paper. So, I found the solution, ladies and gentlemen, on how to remove items that have been dropped into the port. Now, I made the attempt of accessing the speaker by the bottom, but to no avail. So, I was thinking, well, how can I get these things out of the speaker? They've been there for he did it when he was 3 years old. Today he's 13. So yeah, it's been in the speaker for 10 years. All right, so now I have the solution, and I'm going to share it with you. The solution is you go down to your Home Depot and you purchase, let me just get the thing, hang on. I don't know how to turn the camera around. That really sucks. How do you turn the camera around? Gosh, I'm pushing the button, but it's not turning the camera. So weird. I'm tapping. I don't know. It's just pause. Anyway, so here's the packaging. I don't know. I can't. Anyway, that's the package. All right, that's what you need. Right there. All right, and the number is here. Okay, and the barcode, in case you need the barcode, is there. Come on. Barcode. Gosh, it's hard doing it this way. So there's the barcode. You can probably scan it using your phone. All right. And I paid, oh, hang on. There's more writing here. Come on. All right. So that's what I purchased. And what it looks like, it looks just like this. Okay? Huh, it won't stand still. Oh, come on. Alright, so there it is on top of my speaker. Alright? Oh, I can't do this. I can't turn the camera around. This really sucks. So there it is, and you can see that there's the handle is there, right? And you just turn the handle, and whoops, I lost it. Hang on. You know, you turn this handle. Where are we? You turn this handle, and the light you can see in the back goes on, right? And you just turn this little knob here, and the light goes. Oops. You turn this. Come on, I'm doing this with one hand. Come on. When I'm turning it. Anyway, I need two hands to do this. So anyway, you turn that knob, and the light back there will go on. You see the light? Hang on. There's the light. Right? Now, in the back of this, all right, what you do is you activate the plunger by you squeeze it down, and when you squeeze it down, look what happens. You see the claws? There's 3 of them. You can't really see. Hang on, I'll turn off the light. Hang on for a second. There we go. Now the light is off. So when you squeeze down this plunger, come on. Come on. There. When you squeeze down the plunger, these things come out. Hang on. It's not so easy to hold. But anyway, you squeeze it, and these things come out. You see? So it'll grab the item. Also, in the center, there's a magnet. So if you have metal, you can just poke it down. So now, what I'm going to do. Sorry, I got to drop the phone. I'm turning on the light, and I'm trying to get that piece of paper. Where is it? That's down there. So here we go. Inside the hole. Whoop. Oh, come on. I need to get it out. Wow, it's a big piece of paper. Come on. I can't get a corner. Anyway, let me play with this. Let me play with this because I'm trying to do this with 2 hands. I need 2 hands. All right, so inside there's a piece of paper. I'm trying to get out, and then also there's toys. So I'll be back. This device has it. Now I have to bring it out. So wish me luck. Come on, baby. You're almost there. Oh, you shit. Oh, wow. I dropped it. Look. I dropped it. There it is. So I have to get it again. All right. Here we go. Gonna activate. Oops. I'm gonna activate my things. So let's go and get it. Oh. Oh. Oh, so close. So close. Oh, it's so close. Wow. It's so close. Wow. I'm almost there. Oh, I can't film and do it at the same time. Sorry. So, ladies and gentlemen, we have success. Look at that. That's what was in my speaker. And I got it with this. Yes, this was inside my Bose speaker. But wait, there's still more. I'll be back. But, you know, this is very, very useful, this tool. Very useful. It took a few things. It only brought it up maybe to the part where I was able to latch onto it. And then once I was able to bring it up high enough, I used a pair of needle nose pliers to go and get it. And with the needle nose pliers, it had a lot more pulling power, and I was able to extract this large piece of paper. I also tried using the Filter Queen vacuum cleaner, which has amazing sucking power. So that kind of helped a little bit, but not very much. But I'm going to continue. So look what came out of my speaker. I was amazed. I wonder what else is in there. Anyway, I'll be back. Stick around for more. I don't know what's in there, but we'll find it. Ladies and gentlemen, believe it or not, guess what I found inside my speaker? Now I'm going to try and turn this camera around. Let's give it a shot. Oh, why doesn't the camera turn? So weird. But anyway, I'll try my best. What a day I'm having. I can't see what the hell I'm doing. Where's the camera? The camera's over there. Okay. So, inside the hole you go. Looking down, I don't know if you can see this, but there's a ball. So I'm going to go and get the ball with this. I'll be back. And gentlemen, once again, I was able to use this device to extract from my Bose 701 in the rear port, way down there. And by using this tool, guess what I pulled out? I pulled out this, some kind of spongy ball. And I got it with this, because it has three things like claws, and it was able to extract it for me. So we're on a good thing.